Devotee has a guru that's not so learned in the tattvas or siddhantas, and rather than humbly presenting only what he knows from Shastra and staying within that parameters, and he's speaking beyond he or she, speaking beyond their understanding or beyond their awareness or studies, or even making things up or bluffing on different topics and like this. And so the disciple, what happens if the disciple has faith, what is called, the term that's been used, what if the person has blind faith in such a guru that's not speaking according to Shastra? Will that disciple that has blind faith in their guru attain Krishna and advance in bhakti bhajan? Is that correct, your question? So the answer is yes, because ultimately the faith, the shraddha, and the bhakti is in Krishna. Because the guru is a representative of Krishna. Yet the guru is Sakshat Hari. Vishnu Chakravarti said, he is Sakshat Hari, he is a representative. So it's not that I have faith in this man, or that I have devotion, or I've surrendered to this man or this lady guru, but I've surrendered to Krishna. I'm a Krishna Bhakta. So my faith is in Krishna as God, and I have my faith there, and I'm surrendering to Krishna through the medium of this representative, this Diksha Guru, this Shiksha Guru teacher. So because Krishna says that my devotee never perishes. So the question is asked, if they have blind faith in the Guru and they're doing devotion, will they attain Krishna? The answer is yes, of course. Absolutely yes. Because it's Krishna that's giving the mercy through the Guru or directly. It's all Krishna's mercy. Krishna is giving the promotion, advancement in bhakti through the Guru or independently. Because if one doesn't take a Guru, then Krishna is not pleased. Without a Guru, then you won't attain Krishna, you won't attain perfection. Because Krishna is saying you must have a Guru. Lord Chaitanya is saying you must have a Guru. Ramachandra is saying you must have a Guru. The Shastras are saying you must have a Guru, Diksha Guru, and surrender there. So if you don't do that, that's independent, and that's 2 offenses. Yes. Second offense to Nam, and 4th offense to Nam.